IKONN TK-1 Kitchen Thermometer. The thermometer is designed to measure the temperature of individual food items as well as the temperature of a grill or oven in order to ensure safe food preparation. Apart from the main unit, the box contains two probes wound on the plastic spools, an adhesive magnet and a clip which allows you to position the end of the probe on the grill rack. Orient the device with the round LCD display facing toward you. The round power button is located in the bottom right corner of that surface, while the three probe sockets are placed on the left side. There is a foldable stand at the back of the device, which covers the battery compartment. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds until the LCD display lights up. The thermometer will make a single beep. Unwind the probe starting with the plug in the outer edge of the spool. Avoid pulling hard on the wire where it joins to the probe. Insert the mini jack pin into one of the sockets. The thermometer will now show the temperature measured by the probe. You can insert the other end of the probe into the food item which is to be measured. If multiple probes are in use, the thermometer will cycle between the probes, showing each temperature reading for several seconds. Connection with IKONN Controller will allow you to hear the measurements read aloud. Use the IKONN Add Product function to pair the thermometer with your controller.
Add new product. To add a new accessory product, place it close by. Turn on the new product and then press OK to connect it. Searching.
Once the search is commenced, IKONN will scan the room for about 10 seconds before listing all found products.
New product found. Kitchen thermometer. Kitchen thermometer added.
Once the devices are paired, navigate to the kitchen thermometer entry in the main menu to hear the measurements read by the IKONN controller.
Kitchen thermometer. Turn on the thermometer by pressing the round button in the corner for a second until you hear a beep. Press the OK button to begin measuring. Searching. Kitchen thermometer connected. Thermometer B, 23 degrees.
To avoid confusion with measurements, the probes are referred to as A, B and C. If no probe is connected, IKONN will ask you to insert one before making a measurement.
No probe connected. Please connect a probe to measure the temperature.
Connection with IKONN allows you to set a desired temperature range for each of the connected probes.
Target temperature set 54 degrees.
Once the target temperature is reached, IKONN will alert you. The alert can be dismissed with an OK or cancel button press.
Target temperature 54 degrees.
If you are using the kitchen thermometer with the myIKONN app instead of the IKONN controller, you can also switch between the probes directly in the app. Each probe can be selected individually, and a target temperature can be set using the numeric keypad. Once a target temperature is set, the app will display a progress indicator showing how close the probe is to the desired temperature, and you will receive a notification when the target temperature is reached.
Target temperature reached.
You can change the units in which IKONN announces temperature readings in the settings menu of your IKONN device.
Change between metric and imperial measurement units. Metric units set. Imperial units. Imperial units set.
The myIKONN app uses the regional settings on your phone to determine which units to use. To turn the thermometer off, hold the power button until you hear a double beep. Otherwise, the device will shut down after 5 minutes of inaction if no probe is inserted. However, if a probe is inserted, it will not shut down by itself, so remember to switch it off. If you are using the thermometer to measure the temperature of the oven, use the included magnet to attach the device to a metal surface outside the oven. If you are grilling, use the grill rack to stabilize the probe above the grill racks. The thermometer is not suitable for use in a microwave oven. The thermometer takes 3 AAA batteries. To insert these, lift up the foldable stand and remove the battery hatch on the back with your fingers. Check the direction of the batteries, with the flat end of the batteries resting on the springs. After inserting the batteries, replace the hatch. For additional support, visit the IKONN.info website. Thank you for watching.